Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones and we made it to Surfside. Look at this snow. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take you on a snow drive. Don't get to say that too often. We're going to take you on a snow drive from the Surfside Pier to the Garden City Pier. Does that sound good?
Sounds great.
Let's do it.
Now, we might get out at this pier just to give you an indication of what the pier, at least the parking lot looks like.
Okay.
Well, it looks like it's melting a little bit here, which is good.
It is. That is very good. The roads, especially.
Yeah. Look.
The snow on the sides don't look, like they're melting. But
Well, it looks better than it did in Myrtle Beach earlier.
That's true. And the wind looks like it's died down.
Yeah, like it's not picked up like in Myrtle Beach as well. So let me I think it's this side, and I'm going to go straight and look at the snow and the slush.
Take you out there and show you the ocean, because a lot of people want to see that ocean with snow cover.
Yeah.
Not very often. So once we get back in the car, I'll go outside of this window right here and we'll take a drive down. But right now, let's check out the pier. You want to?
You want to?
But just to let you know that we are prepared this year. So I have on several layers of snow equipment, warm snow equipment. I'm gonna look very fluffy in this video.
Fluffy,
because I have so many layers on. I'm not doing like last time. Learned my lesson. Right, Beatbox?
Right.
But I got my snow gear and I have my gloves. So let's do it.
Now, it does feel windy out here once you get out here.
Yes, it does. Now, see, I told y'all, I don't know if y'all been watching the videos from Myrtle Beach, but I do have on several layers of warm flannel, like pajama things underneath here. And
so you're prepared this year.
I am. Remember that one time I got out here for y'all and I was freezing?
That's right.
But not today.
So we were going to see what the pier looked like, but as you can tell, they have it blocked off for our safety, I guess. And we brought you, hey, I wonder if that Surfside Diner's open yet.
Not yet, I don't think.
And right there,
Do they have the ramp blocked off too?
Right there is River City Cafe. Let's see, you want to see if the ramp is blocked off?
Yeah.
Oh, look at a little puppy. Yeah.
Okay.
They got it blocked.
Oh, and the elevators. Dang.
I think. So yeah,
So
they closed the whole pier down.
They don't want you on the pier at all.
Right.
Oh, and just in case y'all don't know that they do have this emergency
access
wheelchair ramp right here that you can kind of roll on in the summertime.
Okay.
For the sand.
I didn't realize that.
Yes.
It's like up there at Cherry Grove Pier. They got one. Here's under the pier. Snow still got up under the pier, didn't it? And I'm going to let you hold this real fast while I put my gloves and stuff on. It is
but yeah, so they
getting
don't
too
want you
cold for me.
Sunbathing in between these signs right here. But I think this is fairly new. Really didn't see it this summer. But that's good. Just so you know. I know a lot of people ask about that. Because sometimes they say they can't get down here to the ocean, but now you can. Not all the way, but close enough. Everybody's out here playing, having a good time.
Hey, mine's in the car. She's like,
Looks calm. If I can take you past the snow, you wouldn't even know that we got snow out here. Look. All right. Now let's see where Beatbox is. I don't even see him. Right there. Beatbox trying
What'd you say?
I said, let's see where Beatbox is. I'm like, I don't even see him.
Oh, I was behind you.
I think he's going polar plunging, so if y'all want to wait for that and comment below. if we can get enough to watch this video, we'll make him go polar plunging.
Yeah.
So just comment below on Beatbox Polar Plunge, and we'll make sure that he does that, okay? Let's do it.
Do you remember all the videos we made about the Surfside Beach Pier
Yes.
being built?
Yes.
Well, we don't do that anymore, do we?
Here it is.
Here it is.
And you do need to check out the Whistling Duck is now open. We did a video on that. We had to be quiet. Now we don't have to be. We can be as loud as we want to be.
Here's the Whistling Duck right here on this corner. And the Surfside Diner, you said, I see chairs and
Let's
all
go
out
see
there, but
on the other side.
I hadn't heard of anything about it being open.
I'm pretty sure maybe they're about to be open. I know the last time I looked in there, they were, you know, setting it up and getting ready. Did I see now hiring maybe?
Yeah. Last time I saw that when we were up there. But that was about a month ago.
I think so. But look at this snow. This is crazy, isn't it? Look, I told them from this side, you wouldn't even know, like turn them this way towards the sun.
Yeah.
You don't even know it's snowing. That's what we're used to seeing in Myrtle Beach, like.
You think it's summertime here.
Exactly. Feels good in
Watch
the sun.
this as I go.
And then look.
Summer? Wait,
snow bunny.
no, not
snow
summer.
Bunny.
Definitely not summer. Hey, what are they doing about to do a volleyball?
Yep. But so I do see that they have the chairs and the tables and all that set up there, so that's good.
That's right.
All right. Well, y'all ready to hop back in the car and let's drive on down to Garden City.
Let's go.
Let's do it. And then I'm going to get some food in Myrtle's Inlet now. You can't not feed me today.
Listen at her. Listen at her. And that was a walk around Surfside Beach Pier. And now let's get in the car.
But
I don't know if that was a Polaris. That was a weird thing. I liked it though.
It was cool. All righty. So here we are entering on Ocean Boulevard.
Right here at Surfside, where you got your Gracious Pig.
Oh, my favorite place. Are they open? No, I don't think so. Oh,
Bubba's.
Chimichanga, it says open, but I bet they're not.
Bubba's.
Bubba's Love Shack.
Fish Shack.
Fish Shack, yep. And then everybody loves the Neil and Pam's. Look at them all in there.
Are they in there?
Hi. Yeah, they're eating. They open.
Oh, okay.
They've been waiting on the snow. I seen them on Facebook, and they're like, we're just waiting. They are ready, open, and go on in there and get you a nice hamburger. And what is that? A mimosa.
Mimosa. Yeah.
Go ahead and get you one of those.
Now on the sides, look at it. It's still kind of thick.
It sure is. It is very thick. This is just nice.
Pretty neat though, because it looks like they either scraped or salted and scraped. And we're going to take this drive from the Surfside Beach Pier to the Garden City Pier. And
there's Brian's favorite house right there. Yeah. He loves that little house. Don't you, Beatbox?
I do. And we wanted to give a shout out to who?
Bailey. Hey, Bailey. So this one is for you. Girl, look at all this snow. So we hope you enjoyed the videos. We're going to take you from, like you said, Bailey, we're going to take you from Surfside to Garden City and just show you what it looks like in the snow. We were going to get out and try to build a snowman, but I don't know about that.
I'm already freezing.
I know. See, I need some friends that can build snowman. Alrighty, I'm going to take y'all up just a little bit. Not show you the car, the top of the car. All right, so here we go. This is just something that we don't see every day. So those of you who are new to the channel, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and comment below if there's something that you want to see in Myrtle Beach, Surfside, Garden City, or Myrtle's Inlet. We will cover all the way from Cherry Grove to Myrtle's Inlet.
Or Little River.
Oh yeah, we'll go to Little
and
River.
Sometimes Polly's.
So if you're looking to come down here in this area, you might want to check us out. We do anything from fun festivities, festivals, polar plunge, restaurant reviews, hotel reviews, we'll pretty much do anything.
Mm-hmm.
And we go out whenever you would go out, just like right now.
Right now, and it is 11:03.
And I don't know if our subscribers do notice that, but we also try to go out during the busy time so you won't get any false indications of them not being busy. And, you know, we just kind of want to bring it to you like you would see it. So we try to get out whenever you would. And, you know, so you'll have the full effect and what it looks like and if they're busy. And we don't try to hide the crowds or none of that, you know.
Right. We
just
like
try
to get out.
Let you know.
We like to get out into the thick of it.
That Myrtle Beach is still hopping now. I know a lot of us my age, this is the place, it used to be the place, you know? And Surfside is known for a beach, a friendly family beach.
It's known as the family beach. So this is a little bit less commercialized than Myrtle Beach, but it's only, you know, like 5 miles away. So
that's right. And you see these houses over here to the right and to the left. Some of them are on the beach, which those are right there on the beach, and there's a lot of rentals. So if you want to come down here with like your whole entire family and just rent one of these places, that's very nice. That's what we used to do a long time ago. Our whole entire family, about 70 of us, would come down here and rent several beach houses in Garden City and just stay the whole week. Beatbox.
Y'all did that? Look, I like that little gazebo thing.
That's cute. Now that's
Oceanside Village, I do believe.
Yes, it is.
And then you got the Conch restaurant right here, which is pretty good if you like seafood.
Yes, which they have the best Bloody Marys in town, is what I've heard. And all their cocktails are delicious, and their seafood's good. And the mahi sandwich is delicious. You need to check that out there. I could go for one of those right now. It was a grilled mahi sandwich, right? Beatbox?
I do believe.
That thing was so good.
And you know, you get this whenever it's snow, it's like you get to see things, or you do see things that you normally wouldn't see. They like stand out.
Yeah, it's like
just like that gazebo.
Roads and certain things, and because it's pretty and it's white, it's covered in snow.
Right.
So it does stand out. You're right. Look at that. It looks like that. It is. Look at it. It's frozen solid.
Is it frozen on top?
Yes.
Oh, you want to go ice skating?
I do. But I saw a hole, so I better not do that.
So now we've just entered into the Garden City area. And you'll know the difference because Surfside has avenues, whereas Garden City has named streets.
And Garden City is also known for their delicious cornbread ice cream. Beatbox found that out this year.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot about that.
Yes. And so here are some more rental places. Let me make sure that we still have you on. Yes, okay. So it's getting cold out there.
Are you bringing it in?
I'm bringing it all in.
All right.
Bring y'all in right now.
Vista Drive. Now, that's where we looked at a house one time there.
We did.
A long time ago.
We did. Wow, look at those beautiful houses. And so on the side, you'll see that they have like rental places that you can rent. Oh, uh-oh.
It's still connected.
Yeah, but still. Okay, let's see. I might have saw my finger. Alrighty. He's
Water's Edge. There's where your
cornbread ice cream
is, right?
So if you want to just try it, I liked it. It was really sweet and good. Definitely come down here to Water's Edge and get you.
Yeah, it is unique. I'm telling you.
It was, and they have a bunch of different flavors and unique flavors, and just a really cool place that just hidden. It's like their little secret agenda, and I just let it out.
Well, I'm still doing under 25 miles an hour. I bet on camera it looks like we're flying.
It does. But we respect the snow, and we are going a good speed. Gosh, I can't wait to get rid of this cold. I tell you what. I'm not contagious, but it's just going to linger for a while.
Right up here, Maritime Place. Let's see. Oh, there's the light. So at the stoplight up here, we'll be at the pier. Now, Garden City, look, some of those streets are blocked off.
Okay.
Garden City is low-lying, I'm telling you. It's got a lot of flooding issues, and they can't help it. It's just the way it's built or designed or created.
All right, if we go back out.
You going back out?
That's still back. All right, let's take them back out. There we go. They might like it better out there instead of in the car.
It's for sale.
Now the Garden City Peaches on the corner, or what is it? Garden City?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Sam's Corner.
Sam's Corner. Great day. I'm losing it. Sam's Corner.
Sam's Corner is known for their White Russians. And, of course, hot dogs and hamburgers. And it's a little place, and it's right across the street from the pier at Garden City. Can you see the pier from here?
Right there.
Okay. Because I've got to turn.
Give me a moment, Beatbox.
Okay.
So there you go, Bailey. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did filming it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification because you don't want to miss a thing. From Cherry Grove to Murrells Inlet, we'll bring you the top best restaurants, hotels, and eateries. That's eateries. Restaurants.
That's good. Eatery,
That's it. We'll bring you the best there is of Myrtle Beach 2026. All right. Well, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and we'll catch you in Murrells Inlet to get some grub. Stay tuned.